Yoo-hoo! Mailman! You got some mail! Hello?
How to use your 2026 Emergency Fun Kit. This lightweight kit is good for any situation where you are suddenly in the need of emergency fun. Complete Fun Kit includes 1 fun party hat, adjustable, 1 fun whizzer, noisemaker, 1 fun flag with fun bell, 1 fun sweets, 1 fun tube plus fun confetti, recycled. Place hat on head and adjust ribbon to preferred fit. Remember, a jaunty or askew angle is always more fun. With your Fun Kit contents, begin to feel your emergent fun. Raise the fun flag. Ring the fun bell to announce you're having fun. Exclaim yay,
Yay!
or woo-hoo,
Woohoo!
to be clear to anyone who may be in earshot you are having a fun emergency. Load the fun tube loosely with the included fun confetti. Wave the tube over your head to scatter with abandon. At this point, the exciting fun whizzer is best used to add its distinct emphasis. Blow with purpose. Revel in the fun you are having. Unwrap and enjoy a fun sweet. If available, open a bottle of fun beverage, not included, and pour a glass. In 2026, it's essential to have a good time, to find a reason to have fun. As we now know, events can happen, anytime, anywhere. Fervent wishes can come true. One cannot predict when you will be confronted with the immediate reason to party and express jubilation. A fun emergency must be met with nimble preparation. Feel confident and ready for your next celebration with this Emergency Fun Kit. Copyright 2026 SufferforArt Industries, Division of Imperial Manufacturing, Worley Company.